Hi everyone and welcome! Today let's bake a delicious pineapple upside down cake, which we can make even in the coldest time of the year because we're using canned pineapples. To make the batter of the pineapple upside down cake, we will need 3 room temperature eggs, 160 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, 100 grams sugar. I will use brown sugar, but white sugar is fine as well. 125 milliliters of pineapple juice, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For the top of the cake, we need 1 can of pineapple in slices and candied or preserved cherries for decoration of the cake. Let's start by setting the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert parchment paper in a springform cake pan and grease the pan with soft butter or oil. Take the pineapple slices out of the can and drain some of the juice. Cut the pineapple slices in half and arrange them at the bottom of the pan as you wish. You can also use full pineapple rings if they fit in your pan. Cut the remaining pineapple rings in small pieces and put them aside for later. If you are using cherries, put the cherries in the gaps between the pineapple slices. Separate egg yolks from egg whites in 2 different bowls and put the egg whites aside for now. Add sugar to the egg yolks and mix with an electric mixer or a whisk until it's fluffy. Add butter and continue mixing till everything is well integrated. Add the pineapple juice, mix the flour with the baking powder and sift them in the batter. Mix the batter with a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula to combine everything. Now take the bowl with the egg whites, add a pinch of salt and beat the egg whites till they are stiff. Gradually fold the egg whites in the batter. Put half of the batter in the prepared cake pan and level. Put the small pineapple pieces in a layer over the batter in the pan. And put the remaining batter on top and level to cover the pineapple pieces. Put the cake in the oven to bake for approximately 40 minutes. Check the cake by inserting a toothpick in the middle. The cake is ready if the toothpick comes out clean and dry. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. Run a blunt knife around the edges of the cake, put a big plate on top of the cake pan and gently flip it over to remove the cake from the pan. Now let's make syrup for the cake. By melting 65 grams of sugar, 125 milliliters of pineapple juice, and 25 grams of butter in a small pan on the stove on low heat. Using a spoon, slowly pour the syrup over the cake. Leave it for some time for the cake to absorb the syrup. And the cake is ready to be cut and enjoyed. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!